Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I am Siddhi Gupta and I do a lot of things, and most of those things are weird. To keep tabs of all those, you have to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be mixing two of my favorite things into one, which is coffee and skincare. And if you haven't seen a separate video on these two on my channel, that would be a lie, because this is my coffee video and this is my skincare video. Go tap on these cards and watch. So I use an espresso machine to brew my perfect cup of coffee every morning. And if you also use coffee grounds in some or the other way, be it mocha pot or French press, or just boiling it into water and straining it with a muslin cloth, have you ever thought that these coffee grounds that go in the dustbin every single day have great benefits to your skin? Yes, it does. And I have made a lot of conscious effort to put sustainable practices into my skincare routine. And today I'm going to show you 3 ways I use these leftover coffee grounds in my skin and body care routine. Let's get into the video. So grab yourself a cup of coffee because I have mine, and I am going to tell you how I prep these used coffee grounds for skincare. So what I prefer to do is, after I brew this perfect cup of coffee, by the way, this is French vanilla from Sleepy Owl and I love this flavor. I'll make a separate video about this, but what I like to do after brewing this perfect cup of coffee is I take the coffee grounds out of the machine, take it out of the portafilter and scrape all the used coffee onto a plate, and then I use my hands to break all the clumps that are there, because those clumps hold moisture and later turn into fungus, and we don't want fungus in our skincare, do we? And after I'm done breaking all those clumps, I take this and put it into sunlight to dry and get rid of any moisture that is there into the coffee grounds. And then I put it into this container to store it for a longer period of time. And I also keep this one jar in my washroom filled with coffee grounds to use it whenever I want, so that I don't have to get out of the washroom every time I want coffee grounds. And now the coffee ground is finally ready to use. So the first way I like to use this is as a face scrub. You might have heard about a lot of coffee face scrub products that are there in the market, but it has a lot of chemicals and it's expensive. Who wants to spend so much money on this when you can just use leftovers that you throw in the dustbin? There are multiple ways you can use this coffee ground as face scrub, but the method that I use is I take some face wash on my hand, put some coffee grounds over it and rub it into my hands and then onto my face, and you can actually feel that your skin is having better blood circulation while you're doing it. And it has benefits like it helps us fight off those free radicals that are known to damage our skin cells. And as I said, it also helps with blood circulation that gives our skin a healthy glow. Additionally, coffee is a natural exfoliator. It will just take off all the dead skin cells and impurities off of your skin and give you soft and smooth skin like mine. Without further ado, let's move on to the second way I like to use this leftover coffee grounds. So what I like to do is I take some of this and mix it with coconut oil, and it creates this luscious, beautiful body scrub. Just take this, rub it onto your body and rinse normally. And if you don't like that oily feel to your skin, just wash it off with a mild soap and you're good to go. You have this luscious, beautiful, soft and shiny skin, and you can wear any summer dress, any shorts, and flex how beautiful your skin looks in this. Thank me later. Moving on to the third way I like to use these is by creating under eye masks to depuff my face. To create these masks, what I like to do is scrape off some freshly cut aloe vera mix some coffee grounds into it and freeze it for a while until it's cold enough for my skin, and then apply this jelly like mask under my eyes and sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. So what this does is it lets all the goodness of coffee, the antioxidants, seep through your skin and depuff it. And since the mixture is cold and has aloe vera in it, if you are a skincare enthusiast, you already know it does good for your skin. So thank me on those nights when you cried a lot, or have an exam next day, or you had a Julian then you cried a lot. So these are some of the ways I like to use my leftover coffee grounds, and if you are going to recreate any of these skincare tips, do tag me on your Instagram stories. I would love to see how you have recreated it, and that's it. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. लाइक कर दो यार, शेयर भी कर दो.